why do you want to lease a truck in the first place versus owning it and having your own shop? And as we've seen the technology in the trucks get more and more complicated, more complex, emission systems have a lot of sensors, the diagnostic requirements are increasingly complicated. Insourcing all the service work on a truck isn't as practical as it used to be. So we find that a lot of customers want a full service solution where they're able to source the truck and the maintenance all at the same time. Many full service lease providers do that. Our competitors do that as well. One of the benefits to working with Kriete Leasing Rental is that all of that service work, predominant amount of that service work, is being done at a Kriete Truck Centers facility by factory trained technicians who have access to all of the service data, recalls, and the best diagnostic equipment in the industry.